Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious curry with tomato and onion. First, prepare your main ingredients, ensuring you have 1 large onion and 2 ripe tomatoes ready. Next, finely chop your onion and mince about 2 cloves of garlic along with a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan. Add the chopped onion and cook it gently until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's build that incredible flavor base. Add your minced garlic and ginger to the softened onions, cooking for about 1 minute until their aroma fills your kitchen. Then, stir in your ground spices, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Cook these fragrant spices for approximately 30 seconds, stirring continuously. If the mixture seems too dry, a small splash of water can help prevent them from burning and ensure even cooking. With our aromatic base ready, it's time for the star ingredient, the tomatoes. Add your 2 chopped tomatoes to the pan, mixing them thoroughly with the onion and spice blend. Cook them down for about 8 to 10 minutes, pressing them gently to help them break apart and release their juices. Next, pour in 1 cup of water or vegetable broth, bringing the curry to a gentle simmer. Cover the pan and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, let's add those finishing touches to elevate our curry. Stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala and adjust the salt to your personal taste preference. For a burst of freshness and color, sprinkle in a generous amount of freshly chopped cilantro. Your delicious homemade tomato and onion curry is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot alongside fluffy rice, warm naan bread, or soft roti for a truly satisfying and comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.